In today's video, I'm going to teach you how to find your TradingView account ID from your profile URL. By the end of this walkthrough, you'll know exactly where to click and how to spot your account ID so you can use it for support requests, integrations, or documentation. Keep your browser ready, and for the smoothest experience, use a desktop browser so the menus appear exactly as I describe. Start by heading to the TradingView website. Give the page a moment to load. If you're not already signed in, go ahead and log in so the profile options are available to you. A quick note, layouts can vary slightly depending on updates or your region, but the labels we'll use are consistent. Next, open the main charting interface. Look at the top navigation bar and click Products. From the drop-down, choose Super Charts. Sometimes this may simply appear as Chart or Super Charts. Either way, it's the advanced chart workspace we want. When the chart loads, you might see pop-ups or tutorials. Feel free to close those so you can see the full workspace. Now that you're on the chart, move to the top left of the screen and click your profile icon or avatar. From the small menu that appears, select your profile. This takes you to your personal profile page. Don't worry about changing anything here. We're just visiting to grab the identifier. With your profile page open, shift your attention to the address bar at the top of your browser. In that URL, you'll see your TradingView account ID. It's typically embedded in the path of the web address. Read the link carefully and note the portion that represents your unique identifier. If you need to share it for troubleshooting or connect it to another service, you can highlight and copy it directly from the address bar. As a best practice, only share this ID with trusted services or official support, and avoid posting it publicly. That's all there is to it. You went to TradingView, opened the Super Charts workspace, navigated to your profile, and located your account ID right in the browser's URL. If your interface looks slightly different, try maximizing your window or adjusting your zoom level so the top navigation and profile icon are visible. On mobile devices, some menus may be tucked into a collapsible menu, so performing these steps on desktop is recommended. Thanks for following along. Now you know the quickest, most reliable way to find your TradingView account ID whenever you need it.